the leader of
the Harmony Marker team.
Today we are very excited to share with you about plastic journeys and the alarming situation. In my team has 6 members. Me, anh Huy, Khánh Ngân, Nam Khang, Minh Bảo, and Hương Giang. In this presentation, we will show you about 6 main contents. First is plastic life cycle. Second is the pathway of degradation of plastic pollution. Third is what and how from degradation in the ocean. Fourth is where the degradation locates. Fifth is where large-scale degradation landfill locates. And the last one is the impacts of degradation. To start this presentation, I invite Khánh Ngân to continue. Today, I will share with you about where the degradation locates in the ocean. In the ocean, there are 5 degrees on the earth, 1 in Indian, 2 in Atlantic, and 2 in Pacific. Now we come to the most famous degradation. It's called the Great Pacific Degradation, and it locates in the North Pacific Rim between Hawaii and California, and it divides into 2 parts. First is the Eastern Degradation from California to Hawaii, and next is the Western Degradation from Hawaii to Japan. It was discovered in 1988 and contains 1.8 trillion of plastic, weight around 18,000 tons and it's always grow up with 2.4 million tons of plastic each year. This is the plan for clean up the degradation. It is a project from non-profit organization Clean Up. They using a hot spring and hot together by the tractors, and this device can suck waste out of the ocean, and they believe that they can collect 50 tons of plastic in a year. Now we come into the second degradation. It is the South Pacific degradation. It locates in the South Pacific Ocean between Australia and South America, and it was discovered in 1911. The plan for clean up the degradation. The ocean cleanup is organization effort to address marine pollution, but no program to prevent this degradation. It is the form of plastic in the South Pacific degradation. First is the microplastic from the fish washing clothes. Then is waste from fishermen, and the last one is microplastic from the larger plastic. The third is the Indian Pacific degradation. It locates in the Indian Ocean, and it was discovered in 1910. The size of it locates far, so the scientists difficult to study, but they believe that it can size about 2 million to 5 million square kilometers. The form of plastic in the degradation. First is discardedness, and the next is microplastic. And this is the plan for cleaning up the Indian Pacific degradation. This is Maria Christian Bunufi, and in 1912 she started an art project called Westland. This project to discuss the essence of this degradation state, and it is a nation plastic. This is a plastic nation. She founded at UNESCO in 1913. For her project, she wants to raise awareness about the terrible results to planet and to humans. The next is the North Atlantic Capital. It was located in North Atlantic region and between America and Africa. The size of this capital, the correct size is unknown, but they believe that it is hundreds of meters in size. The form of plastic in this capital used to make soft drinks, water bottles, and common household items. The plan for cleaning up the capital, they believe to impossible because it is big danger for the marine organism. But although that the ocean cleanup is researching the solution to this issue. And the finally capital is the South Atlantic capital. It was located in the southern of Atlantic Ocean. The size of this capital is around about 700,000 square kilometers, and it contains about 2,860 tons of plastic. The plan for cleaning up the South Pacific capital. No special fleet programs to prevent this capital, but this is just seriousment, and in 2010, Kickstarter movement was started by Chelsea, and although this movement, she wants to pay for an exploration of the South Atlantic and research the solution to the marine pollution. And this movement gathered about $2,425, and it's the end.
That can solve all the plastic pollution in the ocean. Why and why not? I think they can solve all of plastic in the ocean because in the first year the ocean cleanup used the hot stream, and they how together by the directors they also collect about 50 tons of plastic, and I think if every year they use this device, they can stop waste of the ocean.
When scientists do the project,
I think the most challenge of the scientists to study about their cabbage is where it's located, because some cabbage located far, but some cabbage located near, and it also grow up every year with a lot of tons of plastic. So I think it's hard to do as scientist.
Can cause pollution, water pollution, and half a question is how the water pollution affects human health.
I think when have a lot of plastic, so it can make microplastic, and when microplastic has everywhere, it can have in the air, the ocean, and also in your clothes you wear or food you eat. So it can affect you. I always say that the ocean cleanup has started some projects to protect the cabbage, and also that you can protect, like don't use straw or use cloth bag when you want to buy when you want to go to the supermarket or want to buy something, and